here is how we can record a video on the Android phone but without the sound. Let me explain how it works, and if you are new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course we can get inside the camera and switch to the video mode, but there isn't any setting which would let you choose to not allow any sound. So the way we need to approach this would be by recording a regular video inside of the camera, right? You know, the usual stuff. And once we hit it done, we can then remove the audio parts of it. So we can move to the gallery, and the latest thing should be my video. So sorry, the gallery right here. And what we can do is that obviously we have the button to enable and disable the sound, but it's still there. It's still part of the video. But if you click on edit, you're going to notice that we have a few things and we should have the ability to mute it. If it's not the case for us, as you can see on this particular phone, I don't seem to have the mute option. So for this, I can use the third-party video editor. So something like CapCut or even other one, I'm not affiliated with any video editor, but the point is that you can use any of them to import the clip in here, right? Start a new project and import the clip. Like so. So let me just go with the latest one, which I just recorded. So it's probably this one. And the point is that once I add it to the timeline, I can select it at the bottom and add some effects to it. And when I click on volume, I can lower it down to 0 as such. And now I have the video without any sound altogether. All I have to do is just to click on export. The video will be saved in the gallery and it will not have any sound at all. So that's how you can remove it. That's how it works. Outside of that, we don't really have the ability to just turn off the sound from regular video recordings, but that's a nice workaround method which lets you remove the sound altogether. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about it below. I'm gonna wrap it up right now and I'll see you later.